Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to separate name in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. First, begin by opening your Google Sheet containing the name you want to separate. Then you have to select the column with the full names. Then go to the data menu over the top of your screen. Now choose split text to columns over here. Now click detect automatically. Now select a space as the separator since names are separated by a space. As you see, the names are separated into two columns. That's it. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at SkillWeb. If this video helped you guys, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.